In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we coach our sales team of account executives how to demo our B2B SaaS product. And I will give you a link to this exact template that we use to train our sales team on product demos. I'll give you a link to it in the description below. You can just copy the Google Sheet. So first off, let me orient you into the spreadsheet. This is a Google spreadsheet. You can see this is the Start Here tab. I'll just give you an understanding of if you want to access the total playbook with all of the operating templates and frameworks that we use, you can download them here. But for today, the product demo template tab is here, followed by an example of one that's comparable to what we use. And then lastly, a bonus go-to-market checklist to make sure you do all the right things in the right order when bringing products to market. So the first one is the actual template itself. It is blank. There's not much here. It is a blank canvas for you to use to paint your brush with. The example template here, this is really what you will want to use as inspiration. So I'm going to walk you through step by step right now exactly how we and the sales managers train our sales reps on how to use this. So first thing up top, you should have a demo environment. So we're a B2B SaaS company. We're venture backed. We have a specific demo environment. And so I think it's important to include the demo log information right up front. Keep in mind, we use this as a separate tab within a larger sales playbook with multiple tabs in it that the sales reps can bookmark in their browser and then reference day to day when they need to prepare for a discovery call or prepare for a product demo or look at competitor stories. I'll include a link to that down below where you can access all of the templates within the VP of Sales playbook. But this is one of them. So first thing is we include the demo login information, then the standard demo agenda. So when they send out a calendar invite, or they set the demo agenda up front when they're initially on the call, they know exactly what they're covering. And then the demo intro script. This may sound very simple, but I'm a firm believer that you need to set standard scripts for your sales reps to follow, because then if you can get everybody to do the same thing, generally speaking, right? They talk about your product in the same way. They intro the call in the same way. They set an agenda in the same way. Then you can effectively measure on whether it's working or not. But if you've got 10 or the messaging is wrong or you're talking to the wrong prospects, it's hard to know if you don't have standardized processes in place. And so that's what tools like this are so valuable for us. So let me keep going here. Next up, I like to include demo links right at the top here of recorded demos from successful reps that have given demos in the past. I just include the company name that the demo is with and the short link right here, so that as you hire new sales reps and you onboard them and train them, anyone can just quickly reference any one of these recordings. Next up is the actual demo structure itself. And so there are so many instances where a sales rep, I've been on the receiving end of this, they go through a discovery call and the prospect is asked a bunch of questions. The sales rep gathers all this information. And then when the demo comes around, they deliver the same exact standard demo that they have every other time. And so we really want to get away from that and avoid that. And so this is designed in a modular way where we list the feature sets down on the left-hand side here. Okay. This allows, and then the talk track to the right here, which I'll get into more, for the sales rep to talk about what is most important and pertinent to that particular prospect. And so the structure that we follow, let me zoom out a little bit here, is the tell, show, tell demo structure, which means that when we talk about a particular feature of our product, we tell them the problem it solves, we show them how it works visually, and then we tell them the results that they can expect to achieve or that other customers have achieved. And then on the right-hand side, we include this last bonus column with a actual reference customer story of some customer using that particular feature and achieving particular results. And so we go through that for each main big rock feature that we want our sales reps to talk about. And that way, as they navigate the demo and they tell the story of the customer using the product, they can walk through this in a very methodical and consistent way that's compelling to talk about. For example, task management or project templates or workflow management. I believe this example is designed after Asana. Here we go. It's Asana right up here. So you might say that, oh yes, let me walk you through the project timelines. So keeping track of a project progress and dependencies can be very challenging, especially when different parts need to happen in different sequences. And so Asana's project timelines, and this is where you would actually walk through the product, you can create a visual timeline of each project, set task dependencies, and adjust timelines with drag and drop functionality to reflect changes easily. Now, when clients adopt project timelines, they often tell us that these help them spot potential delays early and stay on track, leading to smoother project deliveries. Tech Solutions is a perfect example of a company that used product timelines. You get how I'm walking through this in real time and how your sales reps could do that. And so, through their training and onboarding, they will learn the flow for each one of these features. But you can see that I can generally do this on the spot by having this reference sheet live on the call, just as your sales reps could have for your products or services in your product demo cheat sheet. So I hope that was helpful. My goal with this, which is what's enabled us to be successful with this product demo template, is it's really to help our sales team deliver product demos that sell better. And so if you want to take advantage of this as well, you can just go to the product demo template page, click add to cart. And when you check out, you'll receive a link to a Google Sheet that you can download and customize on your own. So hopefully that was helpful. I hope you and team start delivering world-class product demos, and I'll see you back here on the next one.